I just left the house and I forgot my camera, so I had to come back and I got like 4 bags on me. I'm knackered, but our journey begins here. This is a mini vlog, so I'm gonna shorten things up and I'm gonna teleport myself. Are you ready? And here we are in the land of Briska, and I'm on my way to Maca Mountain. You excited? You excited, Matt?
Yeah.
You excited, James?
I'm exhilarated.
He's exhilarated. Christian, what about you?
Amazing.
You excited?
Oh yeah, woo.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and film most I can throughout the night.
Sorry, bro. Guys, I just realised something.
Why are you holding the back like that?
Because the thing snapped on it.
Oh, whoops, that's not my fault. I think we're just setting it down.
Yeah. Let's get jiggy with it. So much Lego to play with. Oh. He's on a spray. James is being gay. And if you could see, someone's been here before and his beer cans like stuck into the trees.
Shut up, Adam.
We have fire! We got the barbecue
You
going.
can't use...
Got the roasters on the go. Run dancing. You know, what more can you want?
Very, very frightening. Galileo! Galileo! Galileo Figaro! Oh no.
And Matthew's grilling up his shiz. Look at him. He's grilling that shit up.
Get me another bun. This bun's a bit small.
They dropped the fucking popcorn.
Alright, I'll do the burgers, you get the wood.
No more popcorn. No Christmas for anybody.
James is a knob.
Right, we'll do that. Yeah, we'll get the wood. Adam, you do the burgers.
It's actually going now. We've actually got the fire going. Time is, folks,
10 past 8.
10 past 8, and we're already like half cut, which is not good. We're like youngsters, and we're just too eager to get drunk. Whoa! You might burn yourself.
Let's make fire!
James, put it back in there. James is like burning shit because he loves it.
Die!
Hey!
You bit my finger!
Oh dear, it's making fire now. We are up on the mountain. You might not be able to see shit.
You said you was gonna be guitar because we haven't got one. Meow 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 meow. Oh no.
Yeah, basically me, Jack and Laura and Matthew are left on the mountain while Sarah, Adam and Christian go to get more alcohol. I am sorry that we are left on our own, but it is very scary up there because it's pitch black.
Should we do a little bit of a ghost?
Yeah, right. Now we're gonna go and see Laura and Jack in the ghost calling thing.
I don't actually want to do it now.
Wow, that was quick. That was so quick. It was unbelievable. This camera's shit.
Hello, you're watching Adam for the Win TV.
Yeah, we're all in it.
I'm Adam Prosser, and I'm gay.
Once upon a time in the dark woods, there was James, Adam, Sarah.
What's my time? Right, there was an alcoholic. He had a drink in his hand, and he said that he's from Cabran and he had a knife.
That was proper shit until the bit where he said Cumbran.
But they kept disappearing and reappearing all the time behind trees.
Sort of like me.
And then the woods was actually called Nunswood.
It's cold. I've lost a shoe, and yeah.
We'll find it tomorrow, like halfway up the tree or something.
We'll find it. Don't tell me it is now. You probably have stuck it on a fucking tree. Epic rap battles of history.
Prosser versus James Color.
Hello. It is like sometime. I don't know. I'm just so tired. I just came into my tent. Some people are asleep, some people are out at the moment. I keep hearing crunches, like footsteps around the tent all the time. It's driving me nuts. Oh my god. I'm getting all paranoid and tired. I've got a hangover waiting to come. The campsite looks like a bomb site, and I'm not looking forward to the morning, to be honest. And my camera battery's gonna go out, so I'm gonna speak to you all soon. So I wish you good night.